I bought this mini classic arcade station in Lazada, and now we will see if it's really worth to buy or much better not to buy, because it's really expensive. It's around 1,194 pesos. And also I thought it's a little bit small, but it's bigger than I thought. And now I will put the 3 batteries, AAA batteries, in the back side of the mini arcade. It includes also a user manual, and in the user manual you can see all the games that are installed in this mini arcade. Those are the games in the mini arcade, and it's also show the keypad, how it works. All in all, it has 183 games. It says also that optional you can use this mini arcade with batteries or the lithium battery, or you can use a USB cable. But the problem is there is no USB cable port where you gonna charge this one. The reset is the red button, reset and restart. Let's try. This is the on and off. And then it says have TF card games and the internal games. Volume, this is the volume. It says optional, you can charge it by USB cable, or have a lithium battery, or the three pieces of AAA batteries. But I don't see anything where I can charge the USB cable here, only the TF card I saw, and then nothing, only this one, the battery, and there's no lithium battery for this one, only the AAA battery. And the size of the screen is 2.8 inches. That is the screen. Then let's check it out, the games. Select. How can you select? Yun. The button. There's no because I didn't put TF card, but I already tried the TF card, but it's not working. This one can't read TF card. Maybe if you have a TF card and you have a games which is compatible with this mini arcade station, then maybe can read it. Extra game. Shooting. Let's try the shooting. Start. It has a 40-in-1 games in the shooting. Let's try the bubble. This is the volume. That is the volume, and you can choose. That is the loudest. No sound. Just a little bit. Okay. if it's 2-player, start. Let's try if the second player is working or not. Okay, the second player. Let's try if the second player is working. So the pose is working. This is the pose. Also the start button. But the fire in the second player is not working. Oh. Also you need to press the fire in the first joystick so that you can play it. Let's try to remove this one because it said you can. Oh, see, that's the problem. It's broken. Wait, I don't think I need to remove this one. I will not remove this one because I'm not gonna use it forever. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm just only gonna use it for display. But let's try if I can remove this joystick. Okay, much better remove on this part. Let's see. Oh no, why they put that one there? Yeah. See? But the problem is this one. Okay. I will not remove na lang. I just only make like this. Because I don't want this one to destroy the sticker. Then let's restart. Okay. When you need to go back, you need to press again this one, the restart button, so you can go back to the main menu and start. Let's look. Only 4 options you can choose here: the sport, shooting, puzzle, and arcade. Medyo basag yung ano niya, yung music. Santa Claus because it's Christmas. Puro ganun lang yung style lang. Okay. Sira na. Sira na yung ano. So, yun nga, masasabi ko, hindi ako nagagandahan sa games nito. Mas okay sa akin yung compare dito sa dalawa. Mas okay pa rin sa akin tong Retro Game Boy. Wait, I show you. Mas okay pa rin sa akin tong Retro Game Boy kaysa dito sa mini arcade game. Hindi ako nagagandahan sa mga laro nito. Much better this one. So this is my review for this mini classic arcade station, and for me it's a big no to buy this one. Much better to buy the Retro Game Boy, because the Retro Game Boy is much cheaper. It's only 245 something like that today, unlike this one which is too much expensive and the games are not nice.